Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about a major step forward in AI. Bard is now Gemini. This isn't just a name change, it's a massive upgrade that brings cutting-edge AI technology to your fingertips. Get ready to be amazed. For years, Google has been investing heavily in AI, and Gemini represents the culmination of those efforts. This powerful new model surpasses human performance on complex tasks like language understanding, coding, and problem solving. Think of it as having a super intelligent assistant to help you with anything you need. If you want the full force of Gemini, try Gemini Advanced. But you will need to have a subscription to use this. You can also try it in the 2-month trial version. This premium experience gives you access to the most advanced AI model, Ultra 1.0. It's like having a personal tutor, coding partner, or creative collaborator all rolled into one. Need help crafting the perfect business plan? Brainstorming fresh content ideas? Gemini Advanced has you covered. Now you can take Gemini's power on the go with the brand new mobile app. Type, talk, or even show it an image. Gemini will help you with tasks like fixing a flat tire, generating images for invitations, or crafting tricky messages. It's a glimpse into the future of AI assistants. Conversational, helpful, and always at your side. The benefits of Gemini aren't limited to a standalone app. It's also integrating into your favorite Google products, like Workspace and Cloud. Expect enhanced features in Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and even personalized learning in Duolingo, with the power of Gemini behind them. This is just the beginning for Gemini. Google is constantly evolving and improving this technology, with exciting updates for developers and cloud users just around the corner. Stay tuned for even more powerful and accessible AI tools in the future. Ready to try out Gemini for yourself? Download the app, explore Gemini Advanced, and see how this amazing AI can change the way you work, create, and live. Don't forget to leave a comment below and share your thoughts on the future of AI. Thanks for watching.